Hello students, today we are going to discuss about thin cylindrical shell and stresses induced in that. Okay, if you have seen cylinders like normal example like LPG cylinder at home, okay, how it look like? It having a cylindrical shape and it is pressurized with the gas. Okay, now when a cylinder which having very small thickness, that time we can call that cylinder as a thin cylinder. Okay, now if you pressurized from the inside of that cylinder, two things will happen, or two types of stresses will get induced. One, that is along with the circumference, like this. Either the cylinder will get break like this in this direction along with the circumference. Okay, circumference means anywhere on the circumference, anywhere. Okay, and another stress or another breaking point, it might be like this, somewhere here. It may get breakdown from this side. Okay, now when it is breaking from this side, that time we can call it as, or that time stresses, induced stresses are called as circumferential stresses. And when at this point stresses are induced, that time we can call it as okay. Now these are two types of stresses are developed when you pressurize the cylinder from the inside. Okay, now we'll see what formula we can use to measure circumferential stresses and what formula we can use to find longitudinal stresses. To find circumferential stress, that is sigma 1, I can say PdL by 2TL. LL will get cancelled and this become PD by 2T. And this type of stress is also called as hoop stress. And this is the one of the important formula which is used to find the stresses induced in a cylinder. And another formula, that is longitudinal stresses, sigma 2 is nothing but PD by 4T. Now if you see this formula and this formula, you will find the difference of, that is 2. Here it is 2 and here it is 4. So in which more stresses will get? Obviously in the hoop stress, if you see, more stresses will get induced compared to the longitudinal stress. So that we use always hoop stress to find developed stresses in the cylinder. Thank you.